This is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So the first and most straightforward method is to open the list of recent apps by tapping at this digital button over here. And well, we gotta have some app launched. And as you can see, once you have at least one app active, it shows the total amount of random access memory you have, as well as how much of it is being currently used, or well, available rather. So you can count the counterpart respectively. There is also the second way to do that by enabling the developer options, which you can well, execute by entering the About Phone category of settings and continuously tapping at the build number over here. Then once the you are now a developer message appears, re-enter the system category. In here, as you can see, there are developer options now visible and accessible, and at the developer options page you can also check more detailed statistics about your random access memory. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.